Ready to crack the code of the universe? Buckle up as we explore the periodic table, the ultimate map to all the building blocks of everything. The periodic table has 7 rows called periods numbered from 1 to 7. Elements are arranged in periods from left to right and top to bottom in increasing atomic number. Elements with similar chemical properties form vertical columns called groups numbered from 1 to 18. This magical map, known as the periodic table, holds the key to understanding the world around us. First up, we have the rock stars of the table, the metals. Metals, such as copper or gold, are good conductors of electricity and heat. They can be pulled into wires because they are ductile. They can be hammered or pressed into thin sheets or foils because they are malleable. And most have a shiny appearance, so they are lustrous. The vast majority of the known elements are metals. Of the metals, only mercury is a liquid at room temperature and pressure. All the rest are solids. Now, let's uncover the secrets of the nonmetals. Nonmetals are generally poor conductors of heat and electricity and are not lustrous. Nonmetals can be gases, such as chlorine, liquids, such as bromine, or solids, such as iodine, at room temperature and pressure. Most solid nonmetals are brittle, so they break into small pieces when hit with a hammer or pulled into a wire. Semi-metals exhibit properties intermediate between metals and nonmetals. It's time to meet some supergroups of the periodic table. Let's dive into the fantastic world of alkali metals first. The alkali metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Hydrogen is unique in that it is generally placed in group 1, but it is not a metal. The compounds of the alkali metals are common in nature and daily life. One example is table salt, sodium chloride. Lithium compounds are used in greases and in batteries. Now meet their cousins, the alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Beryllium, strontium, and barium are rather rare, and radium is unstable and highly radioactive. In contrast, calcium and magnesium are the 5th and 6th most abundant elements on Earth, respectively. They are found in huge deposits of limestone and other minerals. Wondering if there's more to the periodic table? You bet there is. The halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Compounds that contain the fluoride ion are added to toothpaste and the water supply to prevent dental cavities. Now, have you ever heard of the rare earth elements? The noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Because the noble gases are composed of only single atoms, they are monatomic. At room temperature and pressure, they are unreactive gases. From the elements you encounter every day to the ones you've never heard of, the periodic table is a treasure trove of discovery. Now that we've started our journey, it's your turn to explore. The periodic table is like a treasure map, leading you to wondrous discoveries about the world around you. It's a key to understanding everything from the air we breathe to the smartphone in your pocket. So don't just stop here. Dive into the sea of online resources, play around with interactive tools, and let your curiosity lead the way. So go ahead, start your own science adventure with the periodic table and let's see what you discover.